to Reno Radio. I'm your host, Naomi Findlay, and I'm Australia's real renovation expert. This podcast will give you real advice for renovating, selling your property, or styling your home so you can create beautiful, healthy, and wealthy spaces too. Renovating does not have to be hard. In fact, it can be one of the most rewarding things you ever do. So join me and my impressive list of guests each week for plenty of feel-good inspiration and real renovation advice. This is Reno Radio. Bathroom renovations are actually one of my favourite parts of the renovation because there's nothing better than creating like this amazing space that you get to nurture your soul and take care of your body in after the renovation. But there's like a little tunnel that you need to go through before you get to that. And realistically, we use our bathrooms so often. And every single member of the house uses your bathroom, their bathroom. And so if you're going to undertake a renovation of a bathroom and it's the only one in your house, it can present some substantial challenges. Really. So we have here today Marissa Roberts from beautifulyorganised.com to talk to us about some of the really simple options that you can think about and plan to make that bathroom renovation a little less stressful from an organisation and a functional perspective. So, Marissa, how do I go about not just stinking it up and smelling it up and washing the kids in the hose out the front? Like realistically, I can do that in summer. I can take them to the pool, throw them in and give them a shower afterwards, but I can't do that all year round.
No, bathrooms are a really tricky one. You're dealing with no toilet, maybe no running water, certainly not the space you're used to in the area that you're used to keep everybody clean and smelling nice.
And happy.
Yes. Yeah, a bathroom is a really tricky thing.
It is.
You're going to be without running water in a lot of cases. You're certainly going to be without a toilet, sink, shower. Yeah. You may have to rough it a little and set up some camping style alternatives outside as far as toilets and showers go.
I want to be warm.
But otherwise, I would recommend if you can relocate for cleaning yourself, then I would do it. So friends or family or neighbours, see if you can use their space.
Absolutely. Heading back to mum or dad's or brother or sister's house for a shower.
If you've got a gym membership, now's the time to use it.
Now's the time to get fit and get clean. I love it.
Excellent.
Okay. Or what about house sitting?
House sitting is a great option. Gives you everything you need. You're helping another person and you're not spending a fortune. If you do have a little bit of extra money, I would recommend a staycation. Stay in your same local area, but go and stay at a nice hotel at least for a week or so.
You know what? There's a massive bonus of that is you can actually still be around to complete the renovation.
Yep.
If you're doing it yourself or if someone was doing it for you, you can make sure that they're on track and everything is going exactly as you want. So I'm certainly not a massive advocate for completely taking a vacation because I want to obviously be involved in the renovation process.
Yep.
So in regard to setting up the bathroom outside, are you like literally talking about hiring in a portaloo or using a camping toilet? You can get DIY portaloos with like literally a toilet tent.
Absolutely. You can do a portaloo, just get a small one for your family, or if you're going to have a high amount of people going through, I'd recommend a portaloo for that one.
Okay, and then you don't have to empty it yourself. That's always a winner.
You want to keep it as clean as possible.
Absolutely. All right, now what about all of the things, like if you open up anyone's vanity cupboard or anyone's medicine cabinet, we have lots of stuff in there, like out-of-date medicines, makeup that I bought when like 5 years ago that I thought I'd really suit purple eyeshadow. Like, you know, there's so much stuff in our vanities and our medicine cabinets. Mm-hmm. So do you find that there's a way that we can survive on a minimal kit for an extended period of time when we're not actually camping? Like we still need to function and look like we're going to work.
I think in terms of really simplifying your signature look for this time, standard makeup look, hair look, so that anything that you're not going to be using daily in terms of hair tools, accessories, beauty routine, makeup tools, take them out, declutter them and pack away what you're going to keep and just keep a signature style for the time that you're renovating.
Okay, and that would go for every member in the house, right?
Absolutely.
Okay, so it would literally be right, this is the only shampoo your kids need. It's a 3-in-1 for renovation
Yes.
time. And you know what, husband, you can grow a beard this week.
Yep, now's the time. If you're going to try something new that's a little lower maintenance, now's the time to do it.
All right, I like it. So keep it simple. Think outside the box. I really like the idea of setting up a camp-style bathroom and a camp-style toilet. That can be a phenomenal way. Whether you have the camping gear or not, you'd be surprised at the amount of people that do have that sort of camping gear, that you could even just borrow it off them for the week.
Absolutely.
That is so keeping your costs down. It's a fantastic idea. And it could be quite an adventure. You never know. If you weren't a camper before, you and your family might be a camper afterwards. So thanks so much, Marissa. They're great tips. Can't wait till you can come back on next time.
Thank you.
Hey renovators, if you're ready to take the next step in your renovation journey, then come learn how to renovate with me in my online Renovation Masterclass. It's completely free for all of you listeners. So if you want to discover how to renovate properties for profit, head over to naomifindlay.com/renovation masterclass, where I'll show you how the 7 steps to my winning rapid renovation formula create a 6-figure income for me and many of my students. So save your spot today. Remember, it's naomifindlay.com/renovation masterclass. See you soon.